going on, guys? Impulse F and today I'm bringing another FNAF special delivery video. So I know I said I couldn't upload for a while, but I had to show you something. So I think this is just a glitch, but it's pretty cool. So like, you know how VR Toy Freddy, I'm not sure about the other, what the hell? Okay, I'm not sure about the other Arcade Mayhem Animatronics, but like there's a blackness area around it. But then, wait, what? Okay, the glitch is gone. When I switched to the other characters, they all had that same background. I'm not sure if anybody else had that happen, but like, I just wanted to let you guys know, just in case like, this ever happened to you or something. Because it was pretty close. I don't mind seeing it. Like, no complaints here. Like, just wanted to let you guys know. I actually wanted to show you, but yeah, apparently it's gone now. So yeah, I might actually be able to post sooner than I thought. Depends what happens, but yeah, I just wanted to let you know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Episode 9.
Terribly, something is amiss, but I won't mind the feeling, it's all made up in my head. Destiny's melody calling out to me, so what I'm gonna do is fall for you and walk out to the